Hi, it's Bitty Penny. I'm back with you with 5 fast cards. Today I'm playing with a leftover Spellbinders paper pad and the stamp set, which I'm not sure where you can find it, but I'm sure you probably have a coffee stamp set in your collection or any theme that you like my paper and my the stamps that I chose don't really go together. So one of the things I do is sometimes when I'm making something, if it's something like this that I think I could use for lots of different designs, like this coffee mug, I'll just stamp a ton of them out and cut them with my brother's Scan and Cut. So one of the things I like to do is just pick a whole bunch of different things that I might want multiples cut out of and do it all in one fell swoop, because I keep my brother's Scan and Cut stored away in the closet in the craft room. So I also pulled in a Tim Holtz botanical ephemera set. So to make fast cards, I don't have a sketch in mind. I have no idea. I'm kind of playing with these patterns. I'm checking, okay, cool. And then I pull out this tear ruler from We Are Memory Keepers. I make junk journals as well as cards, and this thing is awesome. So instead of having to cut all my paper down to precise measurements, I just tear it and play around. And so I'm going to take all these sheets pretty much and tear off the edges, give them kind of a rough edge, and then I'll play with some pattern paper layering, and then I'll find a place to put the coffee mug. So this is a 2-part video. In the second part, I'll finish up the cards, I'll embellish them, I'll do the insides and all of that. But this video is really just about quickly making 5 cards. So I made these 5 cards in 25 minutes. So this method really is fast and efficient. Plus I think they turned out pretty cute, and each one is slightly different. All right, so I'm gonna let the music play, and you can kind of follow along with me as I continue to tear, and then I will be painting the lids of my little coffee jar or coffee cups, and I do punch out a little bit here with this paper, and when I paint my coffee mugs, I'm going to use some gelatos that I have. I'm just using 2 colors, a soft pink and a black, which I watered down to a gray for shading. And yeah, so you'll see all that coming up. All right, I hope you enjoy. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed watching me assemble these cards. This is the last one. Like I said, check back because there will be a part 2. I'm going to come back and embellish these. I'm going to add some fun sentiments and just kind of finish them up. But I hope this gives you some ideas and just, you know, encourages you to play and have fun and maybe not take it so seriously, and you can still come out with some very beautiful cards to share with others. All right, thanks for so much for spending your time with me. Here towards the end, you'll get to see another still shot of the cards as I finished them for this part of the video series. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this style. I'd be curious to know if you like videos with more music or more talking. And yeah, so I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. Reach out to someone and let them know that you're thinking of them. Spread some joy and some kindness in this crazy world at this crazy time, because I think we all need a little more love. It feels good to give it, and it feels good to receive it. All right. Blessings.